Is it on? Oh, hit the light. Here, go. How's it going? I'm Bryce. Behind the camera's Marquise.
Yes.
I don't know. But today, I'm installing a Roto-Fab intake with a sound sheet delete on Susan because I'm tired of going to car meets and saying that she stopped. Even though switching out my intake is the most stock upgrade that you can do to a car.
Y'all gotta start somewhere.
But you gotta start somewhere. That's
even though you're still gonna be a basic bitch in the end.
But yeah,
this is the crap that we're
replacing. I'm taking out this intake.
Look at this dirty engine bay.
Well, chill.
Frosty would never.
Well, your car's brand new.
Frosty would never look this dirty.
Ow.
This is like a $5 whore.
You pull them out. There it goes. And then you think once you do it once, you got it down.
Yeah, we initially installed an air intake on a piece of shit.
On a V6 Camaro.
And also a V6 Accord. But
that one was way too hard.
We're adults now, so we have V8 cars.
Yeah, can you come to me real quick? Yeah, so I'm stupid. We're gonna come back once I get this one clip off. So until then, here's something that you can watch. See, we're regular people. We have to read these. So far, I took off this tube.
What's that tube?
I don't know.
It's a thing?
Yeah, it's a thing.
Okay, and we took off the thing.
And also undid this thing too.
We undid that thing too. If you're looking for an in-depth installation, this is not it.
I'm still trying to get this one off.
What's that thing?
This is the mass airflow clip, but this is the sensor.
Okay. So
and then you replace the new mass airflow sensor into the new intake.
See, we know some car stuff.
Yeah. That's because I've done it. This would be the third time, but GM has such weird clip. Huh? By what? No, I didn't have the money. Next time. You might be wondering what my mom was asking about. I was on Copart. I found I feel like a lame. I found a 2018 ZL1 in West Atlanta, Georgia for $200. It was like 22 hours left on it. And just because I'm not working on the road, I did not have the extra money to buy it.
I don't know if I would.
Upset because I was going to get so many parts off of that thing. It's ridiculous.
I don't know if I would have bought anything out of ATL. Last time I checked, them niggas had an STD/STI crisis.
So the car infected?
Yeah. Well, you better spray that motherfucker down with some Lysol or something.
I don't know, man.
All right, you sit up in there, you're going to start itching.
A car with AIDS. Oh, there you go. What you do is you pull this red tab, and I guess I did something here. I don't know. As long as it's fucking off, I don't really care.
We're not. We like cars. I don't mean we fucking mechanics.
But this is honestly the easy part because everything else is out. It's grommeted in, so you can just pull up after you undo that one clip there. You also have to undo that.
Undo what?
This one little screw right here. Just to get, I think these are, whatever clamps. I don't know. But yeah, there's the old airbox. You gotta take off that. Ooh, those are Torx bits. I don't think I have a, yes I do. It's inside. I'll be right back. I gotta get that. This is the new intake. If you look closely, this is the new mass airflow sensor slot. You just want to.
Your hands
so
look like you've been playing in chalk.
My hands look like
and
this,
volcanic
so
ash.
Because now I'm going to get my screwdriver and take the rest of this intake tube off. I'm going to have to take this clamp off and take this off the throttle body, like I was saying. So let me get a screwdriver again. I'm just going to undo this. I really forgot what these clamps are called.
Clamps.
Stupid. I should just run it like this.
Stupid.
All that air that I get.
Good Lord.
Throw that on. Both of these clips. Well, no. This one's a little smaller. Oh, it's 2. Okay. So before you do that, do this. That looks really big. But
none of my exes have ever told me that.
mine either.
Small PP game.
Put this on to the throttle body, lock that up, lay the pipe, and then you put the intake in. We're done. I'm gonna give you a startup in like, for you it'll probably be a couple seconds, but for me probably like 3 hours because I don't know what I'm doing. That's in, and that's in. Nice and sturdy, nice and in place. I'm gonna put this right here, all the way around, have them meet up, and then just screw. Hopefully you guys doing this for the first time and for some reason decided to watch install for a cold air intake on a 2016 and 2021 plus have power tools, because this sucks. I cry myself to sleep at night. That's on.
Is that what I'll be hearing from the basement?
Yes. So I think I finally got it. You take, when this comes off the old box as well. I don't know what it is. This wasn't on my V6 and I had a V6 because obviously I got a V8 now.
He's a grown man now.
But this fixes the problem that I was having before where I was like, how does this like wrap around? So snap this back in place. Oh, well. I need these. Because this is going to go around that. And this goes around that. And now, this. I think we're at the end. I just want to make sure. Yeah, I fell that all the way around. And then I'm going to tighten that up. This is all the way on. I'm going to tighten that up. Where's my screwdriver? And these things are so, oh my God. These things are so unloose. It's ridiculous. All right, that's tight. I don't think we need that anymore. Like I said, make sure. This bubble here is for like angling.
Yeah, make sure it's whole.
Yeah.
If it ain't whole, your car gonna blow up probably.
Skip to me getting a tow truck to a Chevy dealership again. Yeah.
Oh, that's right. That's not on camera.
Yes, it is.
Is it?
Well, not it actually getting loaded, but me crying in my car probably. Yeah. What happened was I was revving
like an idiot.
my car a little too high, down near redlining, trying to flex, and came to a red light, and my oil pressure, battery voltage, all just said boop. And I was like, this is not me stalling, this is my car braking. All of this is in though. It's nice. Plug your mass airflow sensor back in. There it goes. I'm gonna buy that screw and I think that's everything, my mans, because none of this stuff has enough pressure to blow back. And I didn't get like anything. Bruh, it's a sound tube delete, but I didn't get any like.
Is it rubber or is it plastic?
It's rubber. But yeah, I didn't get anything to do about that. We're done. Let's hear it. I'm gonna make my neighbors mad. What?
Why are you closing it?
Oh, you're right.
Oh boy.
I just hurt my toe. You can kind of feel